Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create filters on Gmail. There are two ways to do so. The first one is by using this icon in the search bar at the top. So let's click here, then we can start filling in these fields. So let's say in the has the words, I'm gonna type there, and then I want to click on create filter. Keep in mind that you can use several different requirements over here. You don't have to be limited to only one like I did just now. After that, like I said, let's click create filter, and then we need to decide what should happen to the message when we receive one that matches the criteria that we just created. So let's say I'm gonna choose that I want to star it, and then also apply the label, and I'm gonna choose this label that I have created before, and then I can click create filter. Now keep in mind that while you might have already some messages that you have received that meet the criteria, they won't be affected. Only new messages that will come to your mail will be affected. The other way to do so is that we can use a mail that we have received already and use it as a template. So let's say I'm gonna choose this mail message from Google. Then I want to click on these three dots over here, so we can click more, and then finally filter messages like these. And once again, we will open a similar window, but this time we will also have the email address of the Google account. So in my case, of course, this is the Google account. In your case, it will be anyone who sent this message to you. And once again, we can fill this in, create the requirements, the criteria, and then click create filter. And these steps are pretty similar. So instead of starring it, this time I want to mark as red and create filter. And there we go. Later on, if you want to customize or delete the filters, you can go to the top right corner and click on this setting icon and click see all messages. Then choose filters and blocked addresses, and over here you will find all your filters. In order to delete a filter, click on the right side of the delete text and then confirm that you want to delete it. And if you want to edit, then click edit instead. We will reopen the window, and this time I'm gonna add another word to be included. You can use several words and separate them by using comma. And now instead of search, of course, I want to click continue. I don't want to change anything over here. However, if you want to, you can. And then click update filter. And there we go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.